Hey everybody, this is Johnny Trades. Today I'm going to show you guys how to swing trade. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite strategies, which I like to call playing reversals. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to play reversals. This is a swing trading strategy. So the first thing we must do is find a key level. And what is the key level? A key level is a strong support and resistance. Support is where the buyers are at, resistance is where the sellers are at. Alright, and we must find strong support and resistance. You're probably wondering what makes a support and resistance strong. It all depends on the number of touches it has. So if a support has more than 3 touches, it's a strong support. If a resistance has more than 3 touches, it's a strong resistance, and that's a key level. Alright, so that's the first thing we must do. Let me show you guys a strong support on Uber. Okay, so here, let me show you guys Uber. Alright, so here in Uber, we have 1 touch right here. Okay, we have 1 touch. Then we have a second touch right here. You could count this one as 3 touches, but I'm not even gonna count it. Right, then here we have a third touch. Now it's a strong resistance. Okay, then we have a fourth touch right here. Then we have a fifth touch. And finally, we have around 2 more touches, but I'm not even gonna count those because these are the touches. So this is a certified key level. Okay, strong key level here on Uber. So here we could watch for rejections or bounces. Rejections, it's when it hits resistance and it falls. Bounce is when it's support and it goes up. Okay, so here is a good time to play Uber. Okay, so we're done with the first part. And the first part is to find a key level. We did that. We have a strong key level on Uber, which is 38.48. Okay. Now the second thing we must do is find confirmation of a reversal. Okay, so this could be bullish divergence. Bullish divergence is when the stock price is going down, but the RSI is going up. Okay, so that's one sign of confirmation. Another sign of confirmation is candlesticks. We could have a bullish pin bar, a bullish engulfing. We could have bullish candlesticks. Okay, that's another sign of confirmation. We also could have flow from flowalgo.com. We could also see if there's a lot of call flow once Uber hits this support, right? And if it does, that's an extra sign of confirmation. We could also have news. Okay, so we have news at the support. That's good confirmation. All right, so those are signs of confirmation. The more confirmation it has, the better, the higher probability the trade is. All right, so here we do see confirmation on Uber, right? We do see bullish engulfing. This is a bullish candlestick. All right, so here we see that it opened lower than the previous red candle and it closed higher than the red candle. So you could take calls once you see this type of candlestick near end of day of the bullish engulfing candle, right? So you could take calls during that day. Okay, so that's our second confirmation of a reversal. So once you find that confirmation of a reversal, you could take the trade then. All right, but the third thing is to find a key level to take profits at. All right, because you want to know when to sell. So we could take profits at resistance. We could take profits at pivot points. We could take profits at moving averages. All right, these are the 3 things I look at when taking profits. You could also take profits if you're up nicely. Let's say you're up 20% on a trade. You could take profits then. Don't ever get greedy. If you have profits, take them. Okay, so for me, my plan was to take profits on Uber at the 21 moving average. Right, this is the 20 moving average right here. This is where I plan to take profits at, and that's exactly where I took profits at. Okay, so I entered around 39.13. I answered once I saw that we had a bullish engulfing, right? And I took profits the next day, right around the 20 moving average, right? So that's how you play reversals, right? You find your key level, you find confirmation of a reversal, and number three, you take profits at the next resistance. This strategy is very simple. You just have to have the experience to know when it's time to actually use it, right? Today isn't a time where I would be swing trading, so I wouldn't have used this strategy if it happened today. Why? Because the market sold off hard today. We saw SPY. We saw SPY have a nice sell-off. Like it sold off bigly. Okay, so you must have the experience and to know when it's best to sit on cash, when to play it, right? This strategy is very simple. As I said, you just need the experience to want to use it. And I believe we did have another type of confirmation here. We had price going down. Let me check here. And yeah. So we also had bullish divergence. Bullish divergence is when the price goes down, stock price goes down, and the RSI goes up. So that's another sign of confirmation. Okay. Alright guys, so once we have the confirmation, right, it could be candlesticks, divergences, flow news, whatever the confirmation is, you can enter the trade then, right? After that, as I said, you look for levels to take profits at, which it could be the moving averages. You can see here how Uber respects this moving average right here, right? This is the 20 moving average. It's this green one. I use 3 moving averages. I use the 50 moving average, 20 moving average, and the green one, which is a 21 moving average, right? So those are the moving averages I use. Moving averages are meant to be used as support and resistance, or you could also use them for golden crosses, right? That's what I use them for. So that's pretty much it for the strategy, right? You just find that key level, right? You find confirmation to play the reversal at that key level, and then you find the level to take profits at. It's very simple. As I said, you just have to gain the experience. I hope you guys learned something today. If you guys have any questions, free to ask in chat, free to ask in the comments. Hope everybody learned today. God bless. If you watch this video on Instagram, go to the link in my bio, click on Signals chat, subscribe to my trading signals, right? So you're gonna get invited to my Discord, okay? And on my Discord, you can see my daily watch list. You get to see what I'm watching. You get to see what I'm buying. You get access to all our special bots. You get access to special training. Okay, go subscribe for $24 your first month. Okay, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, check the link out in the description to join for 50% off your first month. Let's get it. See you guys in the next video.